You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce the name of this originally Spanish philosopher and novelist, essayist, George Santayana. If you want to learn more Spanish names, including from Spanish literature, also more philosophers' names that are often confused, stay tuned. He was at Harvard University in the US. George Santayana. George Santayana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.